Well, hello friends. Yesterday was our 7th Sunday working here in a workshop. Also October 1st, which puts us at the beginning of Halloween season, right? We made some major progress. Not really on Chad because that's pretty much all ready and prepared. But this fridge-sized build here, this costume, you can't see it, called Percy. It's the Perseverance Mars rover that we're building for Emile. Yesterday, major advances. We created the space necessary to fit over his chair. We still don't know if that'll fit though into his dad's minivan. We're waiting for measurements, or we'll figure something out. And we wrapped it in Tyvek. Now, this is Tyvek here. As soon as I show you the inside of it, you say, oh, of course, I've seen this stuff before. It's house wrap, it's home wrap. This is the stuff they make personal protective equipment with. And if you've ever run a race, a marathon, some sort of, maybe even a dance competition, the race numbers they give you, that paper thin white, almost indestructible material that they hang around your neck, well, that is made out of Tyvek. Some envelopes also are made out of Tyvek, but most importantly for us, it's what house wrap is made from. It's Tyvek. It's a non-woven polyethylene material. It's a plastic, paper thin, non-terrible. So we wanted a protective coating which was super light, inexpensive, and easily sourced to wrap the polystyrene case of the Perseverance rover, which we call Percy. This is the stuff. So we use Durabond glue. It's, you know what, I thought Durabond was it is a very special glue, but it smells exactly like white paper glue, the stuff that you have in smaller bottles that your kids or yourself use to stick pieces of paper to stick autumn leaves onto a sheet. That's what it smells like. So you apply one coat on the inside of the Tyvek because I wanted the lettering to be inside to give us more coverage for our paint. We'll have another coat of paint over that. Speaking of which, I'm not even sure if Perseverance is supposed to be very light gray or white. I'm working on that. Whatever it is, latex paint will adhere to this perfectly, I've been told. So one coat on the inside of this, one coat on the inside of the Perseverance rover, the polystyrene box. Hey Bob. Outside? Inside? Outside, inside. We put the glue on the outside of the box, Bob. Outside. So the polystyrene, if you don't protect it somehow, it frays. It falls apart if you even look at it sideways into these little styrofoam beads. So Ed and I wrapped it. Genevieve helped us. Genevieve was all over the place. She did that. She helped Kim with the wheels. Anyway, so that's done. From there, we can start building all the external components. We've got some here. We even had our upstairs neighbor, Samira. She runs a daycare, and she gave us all the old sandbox toys that she wasn't using for the rest of the year, and just throwing them away, recycling them. So Genevieve and I took those apart, dismantled the toys, and kept all the good parts. I think they would call that griblies or greeblies. You stick those to give more details to a spaceship or something. It is a spaceship, right? Perseverance is a spaceship in a certain way. Meanwhile, Kim is going crazy on the wheels. She'd seen the short clip of the build of how we made the wheels, how we planned it out, and she really wanted to make them. And she went apeshit. Can you say apeshit? The wheels. Have I said anything about the wheels yet? Have I shut up about the wheels? I can't shut up about these things. They are beautiful. So we need 6 of these, and these guys did a great job on that. Also, I know we're doing this for the kids, but there's a definite social component to the work we do. We're all adults here, right? Doing the work. So we, as a new tradition, we've crafted a cocktail in honor of this Mars-oriented build, this costume, which we've called Red Planet. Now, I'm still waiting for one component because this cocktail has to be built like all the good cocktails, I guess. We tried the different ingredients and we narrowed it down to we'll talk about that another time. It'll be another separate video. Yeah, Red Planet cocktail. Ooh. Anyway, but we're doing this for the kids. But we're all adults. C'est tout, mes amis. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking a couple of minutes to keep up to date on this project. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. Okay, I've got this now. And this is the other side.